Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add vertical blur transition on CapCut. So first, you need to prepare your videos and import it to CapCut, and then go to effects, and then select video effects, and then go to details. Here, go to details and find the vertical blur. Okay, so this one's right here. Add it to your video and then click on adjust and set the blur into 100. Click on the check icon and then make the effect as short as possible. Okay, and then copy it and apply to all of your video. Just like this. Copy and then apply to the next clip. Okay, so I've already copied the effect to the whole clips like this, and then here I'm gonna show you the final result. Okay, so here is the final result of the vertical blur transition. Okay guys, so that's all from me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye.